everyone and welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to explain trendy Western com reviews. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, then this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? Guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the attractive homepage of this website. And guys, Trendy Western Com is an online store that sells women's fashion wear including saris, lehenga, western wear, gown, salwar, suits, kurtis, etc. And this store is based in India, and guys, the prices of these offerings are quite reasonable. So you can take a look at the homepage of this website. Now let's talk about the payment info. So after scrolling, so at the bottom of this web page, you will find the payment informations or payment methods, and the modes of payment available on the website are Visa, MasterCard, American Express, PayPal, Discover, etc. Now when it comes to the shipping policy, so just click on information option and you will find shipping and delivery information. So according to the website details, guys, the standard shipping duration is 3 to 5 business days. Now guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. Now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. So guys, this website is protected through HTTPS protocol and SSL integration to keep the details and transactions safe, which is a good sign, guys. But when we talk about the domain information, the domain name was created on 28th of August 2020, and of course it is 23 days old website. So guys, we can say this is a newly launched website and the website may not have too much traffic. Now guys, let's take a look at the About Us section to know more about this website, but I'm not able to find any About Us section, and which is not a good sign and shows that the website may be a scam. Plus guys, the rates of these offerings are too low, which makes the website quite suspicious. Now let's take a look at the contact us information. So guys, when you click this get in touch option, you will find an email address, but they have not provided any contact details like official address and contact number. And the email address which is given on this page matches with the domain name, which is a good sign. Coming to the social media presence, guys, this website has no social media presence on Facebook, Pinterest and Instagram. You can take a look at the social media icons available on this page, which are Facebook, Pinterest and Instagram, but these icons are not active. And again, this is a red high alert and shows that the website is not famous in India and in various countries as well. Now let's talk about a return policy. So guys, here you can read the return policy for your knowledge and information, but the return and a refund policy time is not specified in this return policy, guys. They have just said if you have any problem in product, you have to register a complaint within 24 hours and they'll try and replace the product as soon as possible. So there is no specific time available. So guys, do comment about your experience in refund or return of the product so that other customers can avail the benefit of reviewing a website and making any online purchase. Guys, when it comes to the customer reviews, no shopper has mentioned any response on the official website of Trendy Western Com, and apart from that, we have found no customer reviews about this website on the internet as well. So again, this shows that the website may be a scam. And yes, in the final conclusion, I would say Trendy Western Com store appears to be a scam website. We can't trust on this website as this is a newly launched website. And the absence of contact details, absence on social networking sites, unavailability of companies' information, and poor design of website led to believe us that it is a highly suspicious site and possibly a scam. And guys, if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting, please like this video and subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe, and thanks for watching the video, guys. Have a good day.